Just
Okay, so this is going to be a short video, but we just wanted to share what we did today. We went to the gun range.
Yes, we did. And I brought my 22. And it was me and Ben, my parents, and my dad's friends, Chris and Joel. And Joel had an AK-47 he brought, which was
Very cool. So you can take a look at some footage of us shooting that.
You don't have to. Put your finger out and pull the trigger.
Oh, I'm so scared.
Don't be.
Ooh, good shot.
I like the whole way out. Stand behind me in case I fall down. Yeah! Okay. Was it?
I think you got him.
I don't know.
There's also a snub-nosed 357 there. I did not shoot it. Morgan's mom did.
It's too close. You gotta hold on so I don't fall down.
Is it light?
Yep.
Squeeze the trigger.
Did I even hit it?
Yeah. See the highs?
I was more interested in the AK, so.
Really? Go! I think that was 40. Was that okay? Let it take.
But yeah, it was a fun day. We really enjoyed it. Thank you for bringing me along, Mr. and Mrs. Heinisch. And yeah.
Okay, okay.
All right.
It's getting late. We better get back.
Hey, Dad. What are we doing?
Shoot. What are we doing? Poke, poke, poke. Ben says, it's fun.
Yeah,
It's fun. Morg says, it's good.